Welcome to Help Screen, and if you want to know how to delete a Facebook page permanently, first is go to your Facebook and select your profile on the top right corner of the screen. And now over here, you should be able to see your pages down below on the top of your profile. So in order for you to see all, you can just simply select see all profiles and you should be able to see your page. So let's say I want to delete this page over here. So go ahead and click on it. And after that, go ahead and click on your profile on the top left corner. Now here on your profile, you will just simply go through the settings over here. Now here on the settings, just simply scroll down. You should be able to see here access and control. Now from here, you will have three options and you will have here delete page. So this is permanent and click on continue. And from here, it will ask you to download your information. So this is just optional if you prefer to download your information about your page, or you could transfer a copy of your information. And you can just simply click on these two if you want to do this process over here. And click on continue. And after that, just simply provide your Facebook password to proceed with this process. And now from here, you should be able to delete the page. As you can see over here, you will have 30 days to reactivate your page. So after 30 days, it will be automatically permanently deleted. But if you want to reactivate it, you will have 30 days and you can just simply select delete page over here to delete the page. I hope this video helped you out. If you do, leave a like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.